Ugh, such a crummy day in New Jersey. It's windy, it's rainy, stupid tropical storm. But I guess it could have been worse, right? But ruining my Sunday plans. Tropical Storm Ophelia. More like Tropical Storm No-phelia. Alrighty, so for today's Tropical Storm No-phelia, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of vodka. Too soon. We're going to do 1 ounce of peach schnapps. And we're going to do 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Just a splash of dragon fruit syrup. And then for the tropical part, our heat needs to go away. And then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of unsweetened dragon fruit puree. I'm sorry, passion fruit puree. All right, so we can give this a good shaky. And we pour. Let's see. Well, look how pretty that is. All those seeds in there. The seeds are great. They're actually like nice and crunchy. So that's a texture to your cocktail. Why not? Time to give it a try. Nice. Salute. Oh my gosh, that is so good. It's a peach passion fruit Cosmo. It's fabulous. The passion fruit just adds just a nice amount of tartness. The dragon fruit and the peach add the sweetness. Oh, this is so good. I drink enough of these, I won't even notice the rain. So if you try this drink, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Love you guys. Salute.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks!
Oh, great. Now it's raining harder. I think I upset Ophelia. Please be safe if you're in the path of this storm. All right, time to make some more cocktails. Oh, yeah.